How to turn articles into videos. 7 tips you need to know. Turning your articles into videos is one of the most effective ways of repurposing your content. Number 1, why you should be turning articles into videos. By turning your articles into videos, you'll be reaching an entire new audience that doesn't read blog posts. Number 2, YouTube traffic statistics. 58% of American adults regularly use YouTube. Pew Research Center. Number 3, how to set up your YouTube channel. 4, how to turn articles into videos.